Hello everyone, quick note before we get into our tips and tricks of Language Arts Thursday video. This is actually a re-upload of a video from a previous channel that I liked so much that I didn't really want to redo it. It is all about previewing a book. So it's not going to sort of follow the same formatting as my other videos, but I definitely wanted to put this one on this channel because I think it has some really good information. So let's go over to that. Hey everybody, Ms.Murray here. Today we are going to learn how to preview a book. So imagine you're at the movies, right? All those trailers and stuff that happen before the movie sort of show you what other movies are all about. So usually you watch a trailer before you go see a movie, right? So you preview it. That way you know what it's all about. You can do the same exact thing with a book. So today I'm going to sort of show you how you do that. So let's say that you have stacks of books, right? And you're not really sure what you want to read, which one looks the best to you. So what you need to do is you need to follow these steps. So first, grab a book, any book, okay? And the first thing that you're going to do, you know how people say don't judge a book by its cover? You're going to judge this book by its cover. You're going to judge it a lot, okay? So we're going to look at the cover of our book. So here I have The First Rule of Punk. I see the author's name there, Cecilia C. Perez, and I see sort of a tagline that says, always remember to be yourself. I noticed that the little girl's holding a microphone, is doing the rock sign, and is also wearing a Blondie shirt. So clearly this has something maybe to do with music. So that's telling me a little bit about what's going on with the book. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to flip the book to the back, and you want to read the summary that's on the back. Now, not all books will have a summary right on the back, like hardback books, for example. When you have a hardback book that has a dust jacket, you want to open it up and read the summary that's on the flap, okay? Okay, let's go back to First Rule of Punk. So the back of this says, there are no shortcuts to surviving your first day at a new school. On day one, Malu, Maria Louisa, if you want to annoy her, inadvertently upsets Poseida Middle School's Queen Bee, violates the school's dress code, and disappoints her mom in the process. Her dad, who now lives 1,000 miles away, says things will get better as long as she remembers the first rule of punk: be yourself. The real Malu loves rock music, skateboarding, zines, and chorizo. Hold the cilantro, please. And when she assembles a group of like-minded misfits at school and starts a band, Malu finally begins to feel at home. She'll do anything to preserve this, which includes standing up to an anti-punk school administration to fight for her right to express herself. Well, that's a really great summary. That tells us a lot about this book. So it tells us a little bit about our main character. It tells us a little bit about the conflict. I think this sounds pretty cool. But I'm still not sure if I want to put this on my to-read list. So another thing that you can do is you can open it up to page 1, and you can read page 1, okay? I'm not going to read page 1 here for time, but that's the next thing that you can do. Now the other thing is just flip through the book, see if you notice anything interesting. The first thing I just noticed is there are pictures, okay? So you want to see what's in this book and see if there's things in it that may interest you, okay? So that's how you preview a book. And if this book seems like it's something that would interest you, then write it on your to-do list and then move on to the next one. Make sure you take some notes so you know why this book is on your list, and that way you can pick your top 3 when you're all ready. So that's how you preview a book. Thank you.